Here is how to use your Tesla Model Y vehicle. On a road trip, one person has installed Starlink internet modem with disk but not mini version. Those who have seen the installation wants to use Starlink mini version on their Tesla car. This news was first shared on social media platform Reddit with image, and customer or user has also shared its internet speed which is more than 100 Mbps. He shared his experience by tweeting custom 3D printed Starlink mount created for the Model Y glass roof, and maximum speed they pulled was 175 Mbps while driving at highway speeds. One person has also cleared its doubt by saying, I thought these things had to be angled to specifically target an individual satellite, even with an app that helps with proper alignment. He further said, did I dream that? Is it a different product, or did SpaceX deploy enough satellite for it to make no difference anymore?